Hello traders, welcome to Investoo.com's flash course on how to correctly calculate your targets. In this lesson we are going to learn how to calculate targets using Fibonacci levels. And for that we're going to go back again to the GBP USD short trade that we have going on. Now, as you can see, we are in an up move. We are making higher highs and we are making higher lows. Here we have the first low, we have the second low, which is higher, and now we are looking to make a third higher low. And well, this is the exact reason we are going to use Fibonacci levels because we don't know where the next low is going to be made at. All right. And what's going to happen is that we are going to use the Fibonacci retracement levels from the previous low to the high. All right. And we are going to use the 50 and the 61.8 because retracements on up moves. And remember, here we are trading a retracement on an ascending move. So retracements usually hit the 50% or the 61% before the move continues higher. All right. Um, and not only we are going to use Fibonacci levels on that target, but we are also going to be using Fibonacci levels to calculate the distance between the first and second retracement. All right, and as you can see here, we hit the 61.8 to the dot before continuing higher, and right here we have an even deeper retracement, which means that well, if we have an even deeper retracement, you're going to see that we have between the 76.4 and the 88.6, which can also happen. But because we don't know how deep retracements are going to go, we need to follow our rules to only trade retracements until or retracement up to the 61.8. You can see right here this short or this retracement hit the 61.8. This one went way below the 61.8 and hit almost the 88.6. But right here, we are going to use the 50 and the 61.8 for our targets. And we are going to use them in confluence with previous zones of support. Right here, you can see that this is the previous area of support that we are going to be aiming. Why is this the previous area of support? Well, that's easy. Price broke through it, and you can see the rejection or buyers that came in right here and pushed price up. So this is basically the zone that we are going to aim. Okay, above the 61.8 and around the 45.23 area. So we are going to put our targets. Let me just grab my targets. And we are going to be aiming above this area of support, which confluences perfectly with the 61.8, which means that we are going to be looking to make 96 pips on this trade, or $1,348. And if we go to the 4-hour chart, just let me get rid of everything right here. And if we go to the 4-hour chart, well, that's easier because we are going to use the big swings in the market, which is the way I personally trade. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to calculate the 61.8, the 50 and 61.8 of the entire move from the from this low to this high. And as you can see, we are right there around the 50 for our ultimate targets on this trade. And if we want to make sure to get filled, well, you have to put your targets a few pips above the 50. Why a few pips above the 50? Well, because we want to get filled on our position.